Welcome to the new listing out here on top of the beautiful mountain. This is a home you're sure to enjoy. You've got 2.5 acres of cleared level land. In the back there is a place to park your RV or your boat, covered parking, and you also have a big storage shed out back for all your toys and tools and goodies. The home is a beautiful home. It's got 4 bedrooms, granite countertops, a very lovely layout. I can't wait for you to come in and see it for yourself. Come on, let's go.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me, we're meant to be.
here. You can have all kinds of dances and parties out here. And you've got plenty of room all the way back there to play, garden, whatever you want to do. So make sure you give Realtor Myra a call because you don't want to miss this home. Could be your next home.